Hello there, you're through to Essex Magistrates. How can I help you?
Oh, hi. I wanted to speak to Basildon Magistrates Court, please.
Yeah, we deal with the 4 courts. How can I help you?
Oh, okay. I had a letter saying a liability order was granted by Magistrates Court for non-payment of council tax.
Yes.
Can I get a copy of that liability order, please?
Okay. Do you have a case number or anything?
No, I've just got a letter from the council saying... All it's got is my council tax reference number. It just says a liability order was granted against you.
Let's have a look. What's your surname? When that's going to court?
25th of January.
Oh, it's been and gone?
Yeah.
Right, okay. Let's have a look. And this is the first time you heard about it?
Yeah, the letter came late.
And it was at Basildon Court, yeah?
Basildon Magistrates, yeah.
Okay, bear with. So 25th of Jan. Just searching for it.
Thank you.
Okay, so just bear with me a moment.
That's okay.
Right, okay, so you would need to get in touch with the council regarding that. Okay, so they've done like a bulk order. So if you wanted the letter regarding it, then you would need to contact the council because they do their own administration. And we don't have anything on that. They do their own administration and they sort of hire out a courtroom within the court, and then they do what they need to do regarding council tax and things like that.
Oh, right, because the letter actually says that it's that the Basildon Magistrates Courts have done it, but you're saying the council do it.
Yeah, no, they would have done it, but what happens is it's done within the court. So they'll give the court address, but it won't actually be actually in like a big magistrates court. It's a room to the side of the court. So they do their own administration, they book the courtroom and they do it that way. So I wouldn't have any information on your council tax. That's down to the council that has that.
Okay, so who would have signed the liability order then?
Either the council or whoever was ever in court that day. It's normally the council. So
I thought a judge or a judge had to sign it.
Or whoever's on that day. So whether it was a judge, whether it could have been anybody within that court that's done that. But I don't have any information to go on to be able to advise you.
That's weird because I would have thought the court would have a copy of all this documentation. Why would they not have a copy of it if it's been done through the court?
Because the administration is not done through us. It's all done through the council. They do their own administration. So anything the court does to the council, it goes straight to the council. It doesn't come to us.
But isn't that weird that you wouldn't have a copy of it? If it's perfectly legal, wouldn't it be weird that the court doesn't have a copy of it? That don't make sense to me.
That's just how it works. They book a room, they book a judge, they do it that way, and then all that information goes to them. We don't hold that because we deal with criminal matters.
Well, that's what I thought. So where do they book a judge from then? I don't understand.
So they do all that through themselves. They book the room, they book the judge, they do all that. They do their own administration. I don't know how it works. It's just something that they do. Oh. So I wouldn't have any copies of that at all.
I find that a bit alarming, really, that they say something's gone to court, produce this...
It has gone to court. It's gone to one of the rooms within the court because they do their own administration. So they do all their own paperwork and it's not done through us because we only deal with criminal matters.
See what you're saying there sounds sort of like hypocritical, because you're saying, it's gone through the court, but then you're telling me they've booked a room and they've done it all themselves.
They do their own administration themselves. So they book the room, they do all their own paperwork, they do everything.
So they don't actually go into court then, they just book a room?
Criminal matters go into the main court. But when they want to do council tax and things like that, they book a room and they deal with that in one of the side rooms.
Right, I'm just disappointed I didn't get a chance to come in myself and sort of deal with this at the time.
And you've not received... So if you phone the council and tell them that obviously you wasn't notified of the date and you didn't have the chance to, go to court and have your say, see if they can reopen your case for you. You can ask for a reopening.
Oh, okay. So,
all right?
Yeah, I'll try that.
So if you didn't receive any information to say it was going to court, then you can ask for that case to be reopened because you'd like to attend.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah, all right. Thank you for your help.
You can do that. It's the same in a criminal court. If they're not aware, the defendant is not aware of a case that's come to court for them, they can ask for that case to be reopened.
Yeah, all right.
They're not aware of it, okay? So speak to the council and tell them that you didn't have the chance to go and you'd like that case reopened.
Will do. All right, thanks for your help.
Notified, all right?
Thank you.
No problem. Take care.
Bye-bye. Oh, they have their own room, they hire their own judges, la la la.